Force veteran accused of trying to join ISIS appeared in federal court today for his arraignment. Prosecutors say Tayrod Pugh was caught trying to travel from Turkey to Syria to help the terrorist group. CBS 2's Janelle Burrell live in downtown Brooklyn for us this noon. Janelle.
Well, Chris, Pugh entered court this morning wearing his prison uniform, fairly silent during the proceedings, except saying his name when asked by the judge. The judge reading out the serious charges he's now facing, his attorney entering a plea of not guilty. He served with the Air Force to help defend the United States, but federal prosecutors alleged Tyroy Pugh turned his back on his country, trying to become a terrorist. A judge arraigned Pugh in Brooklyn federal court this morning, charging the 47-year-old with attempting to support ISIS and attempted obstruction of justice, following a grand jury indictment. Investigators say Pugh, a native of Neptune, New Jersey, attempted to join the militant group after being fired from his job as an airplane mechanic in the Middle East. Federal investigators say in January, Pugh traveled from Egypt to Turkey, attempting to cross the border into Syria. Turkish government officials stopped him, deporting him back to New Jersey. Prosecutors allege he had multiple electronic devices and thumb drives where they say they uncovered internet searches and downloads on his laptop of executions by ISIS and ISIS propaganda. They say Pugh tried to erase some of the evidence, but they managed to find a letter he had written to his Egyptian wife saying, "I will use the talents and skills given to me by Allah to establish and defend the Islamic States." Pugh served in the Air Force from 1986 to 1990 and apparently converted to Islam in 1998. In the letter, he promised his wife he would either achieve victory with ISIS or become a martyr. Now, the judge told the court that he does not want any delays in this case, even telling the attorneys not to make any vacation plans because he hopes for this to go to trial by summer. If convicted, Pugh faces up to 35 years in prison. Reporting live this afternoon in downtown Brooklyn, Janelle Burrell, CBS 2 News.